Guys, before we get started with this video, I just want to announce a little giveaway I'm doing. I have an Akazaka rear diffuser that I had like a year. I want to give it away to one of you guys, and maybe I'll probably throw in a little third brake light with it that you could probably add on to it. The way you guys can enter is by commenting down below giveaway, and we'll pick out winners in probably like a week or so. Thank you guys for subscribing. This is all for 500 subscribers, which we're pretty much well over now, a little bit over. So thank you guys for the support, and let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's a little windy out here, so I might do a little voiceover maybe in the second half of the video. But today we are installing this Yofer wing that's kind of already on the car. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it on the car a couple times. But today we're actually going to fill in the holes right under it, right here, all these holes. So we're gonna bring the car to a body shop. We're gonna take this wing off so they can fill in the holes. And pretty much I'm just gonna show a time lapse how to take off the original wing real quick. So I'm probably gonna do a little voiceover, so let's get to it. I put back on the original spoiler for the time being. I'm probably gonna drop it off just like this, or I'm gonna take this off. Well, I'll see what happens. But basically, to take off this spoiler, you gotta take out your inner fender liner right here, which is held on by clips. It's pretty easy, you know, just pop the clips off. Nothing crazy there. And then you will come under here, which there will be more clips, which I took off all the clips, so you won't have a good representation of them. But basically, you will take this needle nose pliers, you go in here in the clip, you press it down, and then you just lift the spoiler from the other side. So you go in here, clip, and you know, you'll pull it out. I probably could do it with the middle one actually, which there is a middle one right here. There's a middle clip right here. This one right here, which I actually could show you with the needle nose. I'm actually gonna do it on this side. So basically you just grab it with your needle nose pliers. You get this needle nose pliers like at your local auto parts stores, probably like a couple dollars. And then, you know, you would just push out. So you'll grab it, get a good grip on it, you'll squeeze it, come on this side, and you just lift your spoiler until it comes out. You pretty much do that for every single clip on here. And then on these ends in the trunk, let me actually put this back in so you can see from underneath. There's a right here, there's a 10 millimeter or 8 millimeter, it might be, nut. You will just unscrew that. You take off all the clips around it, and then you pop it off. When you're popping it off, there is adhesive holding the ends. Like right here, there's adhesive right here. These are just padding. Right here would be the adhesive, which you can see the residue of it right here. On this side, which most of it already got removed. But that's how you take off this spoiler. It's not really that great of an example because I already had it off and I didn't feel like struggling to put it back, take it back off for the video. But it is what it is. So now we're just gonna undo all this wiring, so the body shop will have an easy time taking everything out. So when they work on the car, you know, because they need to remove all this, so when they work on the car, they'll be able to weld in all the holes, fill it up, paint it. So yeah, let me get onto that next. So I undid tail lights, just the trunk portion, the inner portion, because he's gonna have to take these out. So I just did the liberty of taking out the wiring for him. When I spoke to him, he said it'll be better if you just take that all out so I don't mess up anything. I said, all right, I'll take it out for you. So that's what I did. So now we're just gonna take out what I need out of my trunk and the inside of the car. I'm gonna take out whatever I may need. And then, because I'm not gonna have the car for probably like 3 days. So let me just take out what I need here and inside, and then we'll just head to the body shop. I want to find a look of the car with the OEM spoiler. So now we're gonna go drop this off at the body shop. Just know I did unplug the inner tail lights, so they won't be on. You won't see no turn signals, no reverse lights, no nothing. It's just, you would just see the outside, not the inside. We met up with Wes right here. See, he's in the car. So we're gonna head to get gas, and then we're gonna drop the car off at the body shop. I was supposed to be there 4 minutes ago, but he's a cool dude, so he don't mind. Alright guys, so I dropped the car off. As you can see, I'm here at the body shop. I'm about to wait for the guys so I can give them the key.
3 days later.
Guys, it's delivery day. Good today. It's a little cloudy, even though it was raining yesterday. It snowed the day before, so the weather is kind of bad out here. But we're gonna go pick up the car today, so I'll see you at the body shop. Guys, we picked up the car. This is the trunk now. All the holes are gone. So now we're just gonna drive home. My brother's driving this car, I'm driving that one back there, and we'll see you back at the house. Back at the house, and I'm just marking off the spoiler to the desired position I wanted at. If you guys want the exact position, if you guys have the V4 taillights like me, just try to mark it near the inside of the inner taillight. You can see there's one LED here. Just go right here on both sides. This one's a little bit on top of it. Or if not, just base off the Accord emblem on this side where the D is. Just like put a straight line from the D and up. And then it should just line up exactly how I have it if you just do it with the one tape line. Should be fine. Make sure you guys use painter tape so it doesn't leave residue on your trunk. So now I'm gonna take off the adhesive and stick it on. Let me show you. Just put adhesive on it. You guys could screw it in. The screws are the same size as the screw that's on here. You can just take that screw off, go to the hardware store, you know, try to find the exact size because it literally fits right into that hole. But at that point, you have to drill new holes because if you have a sport model like me, you have to fill in all the holes up there because none of these holes line up, and you have to drill a new one to put it on, which I'm not trying to do. But yeah, so now let me put this on. Now we're just gonna wipe it down with some shine armor. If you guys don't know what shine armor is, this is their spray quick coat wax. What you do is you spray it on the area you're gonna wipe. Make sure you have a damp microfiber towel, so you're gonna just, you know, submerge this in water, squeeze all the water out. After you do that, you just pretty much just wipe after you spray. Then we're gonna take our dry towel and we're just gonna buff it out. Pretty much just do that the whole way through the spoiler. As you can see, it's more shinier. kind of hard to see with a black car, but you can see how it looks like glass. This part I have to actually wash the spoiler right here, but it's like glass. I like how it looks. Make sure you guys pick up some Shine Armor. Link in the description. That will be it for the installation of this Yofer spoiler right here. Like I said, if you do have a sport model, you're gonna have to get the holes filled, so you're probably gonna have to go to a body shop or something and have them fill it up. You're probably gonna not have your car, depending on your body shop, a couple days. Luckily for me, it was only 3 days. Any questions, leave them in the description down below. Leave a like in the video to get it out to more people, and subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for the support.